Hey everybody, this is Erica, the technology nerd who likes to film stuff, and a press kit from OnePlus just arrived on my doorstep for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Now right here we have a convenient little pull tab, and it's got some strength to it. It's affixed with magnets. Now it says go beyond speed, and then lifting this up here we can see never settle. This has all the press documentation in it. Now we've got the phone itself. This is the OnePlus 7 Plus. Now this is in Nebula Blue. Now from what I've seen from the press documentation, this looks incredible. So let's set that aside. And then we've also got the Bullets Wireless 2, as this phone has no headphone jack. And we've also got a car charger. This is the Warp Charger 30 for the car. So that's a really nice little press kit here. Let's get this off the desk. That should be all the accessories needed to get a really good handle on how the phone functions. Okay. Now I think what I'm most excited for with the OnePlus 7 Pro is that this is the first phone that I've played with that does not have a notch in the display. So here we have the OnePlus 6T. It's got a little bit of a notch here. It's not as obtrusive as some of the other ones. You can definitely see the notch on the iPhone XS here. And then on the S10e, you see we have the hole punch display, which I personally think looks a little bit better than what we have on the iPhone XS. But I would like to have an unmarred display, and that is what we have with the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's get the box open. Here we've got my handy dandy knife in the form of a mini karambit. Now the version that I have here is the Nebula Blue, 12 gigabytes of RAM and a 256 gigabyte ROM. This is fully spec'd, you guys. Sleeve off. Plunk. So right here we should have the box that has some documentation and the case. I am so happy that they provide a case for everybody. So here's a nice clear case so we can enjoy the Nebula Blue. Here is the SIM ejection tool, safety information, la la la. And here's the phone itself. So let's grab this here. And of course we need to remove any stickers. And there you go. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now the first thing I notice is that there is quite a bit of heft to this guy here. This is definitely not a small phone. Here we have it next to the OnePlus 6T, and you can see it's a bit taller than the OnePlus 6T. And this one right here is the Thunder Purple, and you can see it looks kind of similar in its reflectivity. It's a little bit dark, and then when you move it, you can really see that color come out. That's really pretty. And the other thing that I notice is that this is a curved phone. This is the first curved one I've seen from OnePlus. It kind of looks similar. It looks pretty similar to the Galaxy S10 series. We've got this really pretty blue finish on the body. And I can see right here it's blue, and then it's got a gradient that goes up to black. So that's pretty similar to the Thunder Purple as well. Now let's place the phone aside just for a second to see what else comes in the box. So here we have the Warp Charger 30. Now this is a 30-watt charger now instead of 20 watts, so this is going to charge faster. I believe they said it's 20 minutes for an all-day charge. We've also got the cable here. It's pretty standard here, just a USB-C cable from OnePlus. All right, let's get all this aside. Nothing left in the box. Let's turn her on. So on the side here, we still have the power button, and also we've got the notification slider switch. That's really nice. Go ahead and hold that down. And we'll fast forward. I'm just going to go through the setup process. Wow, now that is a pretty screen, and it is huge. I could notice right away that this is Quad HD Plus. It's no longer a 1080p Plus equivalent. Now, of course, this is an OLED display. 516 ppi, and it's got a 19.5 to 9 aspect ratio. Now the big thing here is that this is a 90 hertz display, so 90 frames per second instead of 60 frames per second. I'm going to have to see what type of difference that makes around the interface and in applications. No notch. That is a thing of beauty. Now in order to accomplish this, we have a pop-up camera here at the top. Let's try that out real quick. Ooh. That went up very, very fast. Beep. 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 That's really entertaining. Now the star player on this phone, I'm sure, is going to be the 3 cameras on the back. We now have 3 cameras like the Galaxy S10 Plus does, and it's a very similar configuration as well. We've got the main camera, we've also got a telephoto camera, and we have a wide-angle camera. Wide being 117 degrees versus the 123 degrees of the Galaxy S10 Plus. So it's a very wide-angle camera. Now hopefully I will have my impressions released at the same time that I'm releasing this unboxing video. So keep an eye out for that. I will put a link to it right here. So this has been Erica, the technology nerd who likes to film stuff. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Wow, this guy is huge. And let me know if you're excited for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Have a good day, you guys.